Here's a quick video to show you how to resend an email, a broadcast campaign to Unopens in Kartra. So go to the email that you want to resend. So for example, I'm going to choose OTM challenge email to clone. I'm going to click on the three dots and click on clone. That will open that email for me. Click on it. And then when you get to this part, I'm going to take its time now. There you go. Click on from to. And then when you've got the communication recipients, so you can send it to who already it was going to, and then add another filter that says and you have to go quite down here. So it's like has not opened broadcast. And then you choose the broadcast. So in this case, it was OTM challenge email to clone. So that was the name of the original email. Click on add and you will see that that will go, the numbers will change because it will resend to the people that haven't opened it. Do everything else that you want to do. So if you want to change the email, tweak the subject line, whatever, and then click on send or schedule, and then that will give you the chance to either send it straight away or schedule it for another day. So that is how it is done.